Oh, we got Little Matic coming out. Woo! That was Little Matic. Oh! That's Little Matic, y'all. Representing Ladera Park. Beginners break. Woo! Oh! Let's go. Yo, he's ready to battle, bro. Oh, we got Flomo coming out. Oh! With the commando. We got FX representing Long Beach. WeBreak royalty. Let's go, let's go. Oh, he don't play no games. Let's go, FX. My man got the smooth top rock. Oh, yo! Oh! Hey, that is not easy. That's not easy. Let's go, Flomo. Yo, that was fresh. All right, next up, we got Flow Skills. My man coming in hot. Woo! Representing Long Beach. Woo! We got the Turtles. Bam! Let's go, Flow Skills. That's right. Woo! Oh! Let's go, Flow Skills. Don't hold back, y'all. Don't hold back. Make sure you guys coming in hot. Woo! Oh, hey, Little Matic coming out again. Oh! Hey! Damn! Let's go, Little Matic. Little Matic, automatic. He got rounds for days. Let's go! Bam! Woo! Hey, that was the first get down, yo. J-Jack. Woo! Oh, let's go. Bam, let's go, J-Jack. Take it in. Oh, he's coming in hot. Woo! Oh, with the commando, J-Jack. Bam, representing Long Beach Crew Thunder Cookies. Woo! Explosive movement. Let's go. Oh, he said, who's next? Who's next? Let's go, Flomo. Representing the Ironic Crew. Ooh, we got Flomo. OC Crew. That's right, rock it out, rock it out. Take your time, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! My man's slow-mo. Keep flowing. Oh, let's go. Woo! He got the head spin to the baby freeze. And we got No Mercy. Make sure you show No Mercy. No Mercy on the floor. Let's go. Bam. Woo! Let's go. Bam. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. He said, I'm going to tie your shoe, bro. You're not tying your shoes. And let it rip. Let's go. Bam. Woo! And he got the barrel nails. Woo! Oh. Yo, that's some stacks. Oh. He came to win. Bam. Woo! Everybody make some noise, y'all. One. Ooh. It's a tie.
And Lil Matic, dude, if you only took one class, you're real nice, dude. You're real nice. Like, I haven't seen a lot of kids get down like you, so mad props. Don't feel too bad about it, okay?
We got Flow Skills coming out. Woo! He coming in with the windmills, no games. Let's go. Bam, bam, oh, let's go. go, guys. These guys are coming in fresh right now. Woo! Oh, FX rocking it. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Hey, bam. Oh, that was a nice transition. Woo! Oh, he said, I'm laying back. Let's go. Damn. Oh, let's go. All right, we got No Mercy coming out. Bam. Hey. Woo! Let's go, No Mercy. Woo! Yo, he got the intricate footwork. Let's go. Killing it out here. Bam. Oh. Oh. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Slow-mo coming out. Oh, he said, I ain't done, son. Alright, he said, I'm done. Let's go. Bam. We got slow-mo representing OC. Let's go, slow-mo. Oh, he said, I can do that too, bro. He said, bite. Let's go. Oh, nice. Yo, those skills. Bam. Let's go. Woo. Oh, let's go. Bam. Oh. Nice. Woo. Bam. All right, DJ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! We got flow skills and No Mercy. Hey, dap it up, guys. Dap it up. Good job. Good job. That was so awesome.